Welcome to Tools Query, your one-stop shop for all your home improvement needs. Today, I'm taking a closer look at the best air compressors for a home garage. If you're someone who likes to work on cars, build furniture, or just need a reliable source of compressed air, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll be reviewing 5 of the top-rated air compressors on the market, so you can decide which one is right for you. Let's dive into the specific models from our list of top picks. Number 1, Eastwood 29-gallon portable air compressor. If you're in the market for an air compressor that's easy to use and has a long lifespan, this might be the product for you. The Eastwood 29-gallon single-stage air compressor comes with a twin capacitor motor that makes it easy to start up. Additionally, the motor is equipped with built-in thermal overload protection to prevent damage from overheating. The compressor also comes with dual pressure gauges and a built-in quick coupler for easy use. It also features a cast iron pump, which ensures durability and a long lifespan. The compressor comes with a variety of features that make it more user-friendly, including a pressure switch, safety valve, and quick connect couplers. Number 2, CRAFTSMAN Air Compressor. The CRAFTSMAN Air Compressor is designed to provide consistent and reliable power. The compressor has a maximum pressure of 150 psi, making it suitable for a variety of applications. Finally, the 2.6 SCFM at 90 psi ensures quick compressor recovery time, allowing you to get the job done faster. It also has a 6-gallon tank, which means you'll be able to tackle larger projects without needing to stop and refill the tank as often. This air compressor is a great budget option that doesn't compromise on quality. It features an oil-free pump, making maintenance and upkeep a breeze. It's also lightweight and portable, making it easy to move around your garage. Number 3, Makita MAC2400 Air Compressor. One of the standout features of the MAC2400 is its cast iron pump, with big bore cylinder and piston. This design allows for faster recovery time, which means improved performance overall. The powerful 2.5 HP 4-pole motor produces 4.2 CFM at 90 psi, giving you increased productivity without sacrificing noise level. This air compressor operates at a relatively low noise level of 79 dB, which is ideal for use in indoor settings or noise-sensitive environments. Number 4, Porter Cable C2002 ECOM Air Compressor. This air compressor is compact and lightweight, making it perfect for small garages. It features an oil-free pump, which means less maintenance and hassle for you. It has a maximum tank pressure of 150 psi, which allows more air in the tank for longer tool runtimes. It has a quick compressor recovery time of 2.6 SCFM at 90 psi, per ISO 1217. The 6-gallon pancake-style tank is made for stability and includes a water drain valve and rubber feet. The low-amp 120-volt motor of the 6-gallon air compressor starts easily in cold weather or with an extension cord. The durable oil-free pump ensures long life and no maintenance. Number 5, BOSTITCH 6-gallon air compressor. This air compressor is great for those who need a portable option for on-the-go projects. It features a high-flow regulator, allowing you to adjust the pressure to fit your specific needs. One of the key features of this air compressor is that it is oil-free, which means it requires no daily maintenance and eliminates the risk of oil stains on work surfaces. Additionally, it is lightweight, weighing only 29 pounds, and has a narrow tank diameter, making it easy to carry and store. Another great feature is the high-flow regulator and dual couplers, which maximize air tool performance. And for those who value a quiet work environment, the BOSTITCH 6-gallon air compressor has an operational noise level of 80 dBA, tested per ISO 3744. Thanks for watching our review of the best air compressors for a home garage. Both the Eastwood 29-gallon portable air compressor and the Makita MAC2400 air compressor are excellent choices for anyone who needs a powerful and reliable source of compressed air. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional mechanic, these air compressors are sure to get the job done. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and DIY tips.